In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete a post here on TikTok. Say you've uploaded a video or a photo that you want to remove. This takes less than a minute. But before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, begin by opening up TikTok on your iPhone or Android device. The steps are the exact same on both. And at the bottom right, go ahead and select on your profile icon to go ahead and get on your profile. Once you're on your profile, go ahead and tap on whatever post it is that you want to delete. For example, let's say I want to delete this one right here. Essentially, go ahead and open it up. And then you're going to see these three little dots down towards the bottom right corner. Go ahead and select it and swipe all the way on this bottom sidebar all the way over to the right, and you're going to see delete on here. Simply go ahead and delete it and it's going to be removed from your account. Now, there is something important to know. Deleted TikTok posts can be restored for up to 30 days. If you do want to find that recently deleted post, go back to your profile page, click these three lines up in the top right, go ahead and go into your settings and privacy, and then go into your activity center by scrolling down a little bit, tapping activity center, and in here, you can go ahead and access your recently deleted. Really, it's as simple as that though. That is how you can delete a post here on TikTok and recover it if needed. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.